house apartment located in Bacoor City, Cavite, up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with covered parking garage. Ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite. House apartment po. And yes po, ito po yung bahay. Check po natin. Ito po yung house tour. Fully tiles ang flooring, bagong pintura. Ito yung kanyang sala. Ito yung kanyang dining area. I-check natin yung kusina. Ito po yung kusina. Ito yung lababo. Napakaluwag. Mahaba yung kanyang covertops. Kaya okay na okay yan. Ito pong bahay ay up and down with 2 bedrooms. Check natin. Ito pong kwarto. Sa dalawang kwarto po na to, pwedeng-pwede. Merong aircon provision ready. Ayan, kung meron kayong aircon, kayang-kayang i-install. So, dito po sa kwarto na to, meron pang space dito sa likod. I-check nyo. Maluwag na rin itong kwarto, very spacious. Kasya na rito yung king size or queen size bed, mga cabinets, pati computer table. And yes po, up and down po itong bahay with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Ang location po sa Bacoor City, Cavite. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Inside subdivision na klaseng may security guard, may gate, na good community and flood-free location. Maganda itong bahay, lalo na't may parking garage. Kung meron kang sasakyan, meron kang mapaparkingan. Kung meron kang pets, pwedeng-pwede rin naman. At kung gusto mong magtindahan, pwedeng-pwede din. Ito yung house apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite. Ito yung community niya guys, sa labas ng bahay. Ito yung kanyang gate. And yes po, near highway. Yes, actually guys, walk-in distance lang papunta sa sakayin ng jeep. Sa terminal ng tricycle, walk-in distance lang. May malapit na school. To be honest, elementary school and high school, walk-in distance lang mula sa bahay. Kaya maganda yung bahay, the best yung location, malapit sa lahat, malapit sa mga mall. Very convenient at very safe ng lugar. Ito po yung house apartment with 2 bedrooms up and down sa Bacoor City.